In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Create New menu. Click it and then choose Proposal. This opens the proposal editor, where you'll put everything together. Next, go to the Prepared For section. Here, you'll search for and select the client you want to send the proposal to. If the client hasn't been added yet, you can choose Create a Client and enter their information before continuing. This helps make sure the proposal is attached to the right customer profile from the beginning. After that, take a moment to review the proposal details. Check the proposal date and proposal number to confirm everything looks correct. These details help with tracking and organization, especially if you create proposals regularly. If you need to include an internal tracking code or a customer reference, you can use the reference field. This step is optional, so if you don't need it, you can simply leave it blank. Now it's time to build the content of your proposal. Click. Add a section to create a new section in the proposal. Sections are useful for organizing your offer clearly, especially if you want to separate different parts of your work or services. Under Pricing, click Add a Line. This is where you'll enter the items or services you're proposing. For each line, fill in the description, rate, and quantity fields. Be as clear as possible in the description so your client understands exactly what is included. Then double-check the rate and quantity to avoid pricing errors. Once your pricing items are entered, review the totals carefully. Look over the subtotal, any taxes that apply, and the final proposal total. This is an important step because it ensures the numbers are accurate before anything gets sent out. If there's any extra information you want the client to see, use the Notes section. This is optional, but it can be helpful for adding context, clarifying terms, or including a short message. You can also adjust the proposal settings if needed. For example, you may want to require an e-signature or customize the proposal style so it matches your branding or preferences. These settings are optional, but they can make your proposal feel more polished and professional. When everything looks good, click Save to make sure your work is stored. Then click Send to send the proposal to your client. And that's how to create a proposal in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.